So let's see what are we going to learn in this course. So in this course, we'll first understand what is Apache Spark and how it works. We will also set up the Spark environment and see what are the different development options available. Then we will start working with RDD, which is native data structure for Spark. And then we will also work with data frames to clean and transform the data. Also, next we will look at how to work with Spark SQL, user-defined functions, and apply some common data frame operations. Then we will see various optimizations options that are available in Spark. Followed by this, we will also look what is Delta Lake and how it can be used to build a reliable data lake. And we will also see how to handle streaming data in Spark using structured streaming. Finally, we will work with Spark in a couple of cloud platforms as well. And throughout the course, you can follow along and work with Spark. Now in this course, we will be using Python to write code for Spark. Python in Spark is also called as PySpark. Then we will be writing a lot of SQL queries as well. For most of the course, we will be using Juniper Notebook installed on our local machine, but we will also use PyCharm sometimes. And finally, we will use an Azure subscription to work in the cloud. If you want, you can sign up for a free Azure account trial. Now, let's see what are we going to cover in this module. So, we will first understand why Apache Spark is required. Then, we will see the architecture and ecosystem of Spark. Next, we will understand how execution happens in Spark. And finally, we will look at different APIs that is supported by Spark. So all set, let's get started.